Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Start by drawing several shapes and purposely placing them unevenly. Select them all to activate the alignment control. Begin with align right to straighten their out boundary. The messy layout instantly become neat. Next, choose distribute horizontal to correct the spacing. Photoshop spread them out perfectly across the row. This gives your layout a clean rhythm. No use align bottom if your design requires a grounded look. All shapes settle into one baseline. Precision like this makes any banner or poster more professional. Adjust individual shapes only when necessary. Rely on alignment for accuracy, not guesswork. Your shapes now appear structured and